Everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll tell you how you can sign up for the Analytica course. Actually, Analytica is providing a free data analytics course of 90 days which comes with a certificate. You all can be a part of it for free, and you can just earn a certificate, and you can also learn the basic of data analytics, which will be obviously useful for you as well, and you can add the certificate in your resume. So I'll just click on the link. The link will be provided to you. It will redirect me to the website, right? So it is redirecting me to the website right now. I'm here on the website. I just need to enter my name, I just need to enter my email ID, my password, the phone number, the organization, the referral code, and along with that the captcha, and I just need to click on I agree to Analytica Data Lab terms and conditions. I don't have any referral code, so just leave the referral code part blank. You just need to enter the organization. Organization will be your college name for you guys. Phone number will be optional, so if you want to enter it, just enter it, and email ID will be there. So I'll just quickly enter everything, and I'll just get back to you with the final procedure, how to verify the mail, how to verify your email, and after that how to enroll for the course. That's the most important part, that is enrolling for the course, right? The enrollment part. I'll just show you everything. So I have entered my detail out here. I have entered my name, I have entered my email ID, I have entered the password, the phone number, and the captcha code as well. So I'll just click on register right now, and once I click on register, I'll get a verification mail, and which I need to verify. I'll just click on register. So I'll just click on register. So once I click on register, it will show me like this: welcome to Leaps family, you have successfully registered. Actually, while I was registering for the first time, actually I have already registered on the website, so I was entering that email which was already used, so it was showing some error. But now I have modified the email, and they have sent the please verify the email sent to your registered email ID. So I just need to verify that email. So once it's done, I'll just show you how to enroll for the course that is being shown here, the enroll part, right? So let me verify my email. So this is the email that I have got. I'll just click on verify now. So once I click on verify now, it will redirect me to the website. A small icon will show, like, which will confirm that my email is verified. I'll just show it to you. So it is being shown here, right? So yeah, so once you get this page, it means your email is verified, right? As the site is best viewed in the desktop version, so you can't see the exact that it is verified or not, but if you have reached this page, it means it's verified. So I'll just click on login now, and I'll just show you how it looks like. Actually, I'll just get one more mail. I'll just click on login, and I'll just enroll for the course as well. So you just need to enroll for the course as well once you sign up. So once your email is verified, after 1 minute you will get again an email like this. Not 1 minute, like actually in seconds. You just need to click on login. So once you click on login, it will redirect you to the website, and you just need to log in out there, right? And once you log in, you can actually I can't see this here. So what I'll do is I'll just open it in the Chrome, right? I'll just open it in Chrome so that you guys can see how I can log in and how I can enroll for the course. So now you can see I am on the browser again. What I'll do is I'll just click on enroll. So once I click on enroll, they'll ask for my email ID and password. So I'll just enter the email ID and password using which I have registered, and I'll just click on sign in. So once I click on sign in, then I can enroll. So I'll just enter my email ID and password quickly, and then I'll show how to enroll for the course. So as you can see, I have entered my email ID and password. I'll just click on sign in. So once I click on sign in, so you can see that the website is like, it is loading my so they are asking me to rotate the page to view it in a best version. I'll just click on rotate, right? So once I click on rotate, it will, yeah, you can see I have rotated my phone device. I'll just click on enroll. So once I click on enroll, you can see here successfully enrolled. enroll to Fundamental of Data Analytics. This is the course that you guys need to enroll for. So you just need to click on auto rotate in your device and you can enroll for the course, and after that you can start, right? So this is it. So you can start the course. It has 3 modules, 12 quizzes, 13 data cases which will help you to understand what is data analytics. You can just understand the like how to collect and represent the data, how to measure the location and variability, how to basic the bivariate analysis, probability distribution, statistics, all the important aspects of data analytics that will be taught in this course for free, along in 3 modules, out of which you, after every module, you will be having quizzes after every part, 12 quizzes